So yeah, I'm going towards Rani. You see the Rani is all about what exactly? This is Rani Part. So it's a railway crossing and towards the same place back to Pavilion. So roughly speaking, it's about roughly speaking 12 or something in between 12:30 in the noon. Azara, this is Azara railway station. Azara. Okay, the railway crossing. It is Azara. This is Azara. This is Azara. तो जरा सा आइए और पूरा मत आइए राइट. This is Azara railway crossing.